Hello dear student, I am Rajwant Singh and today I am going to teach you in geography. The chapter is transport and communication. My dear student, in the previous video I have taught you some part of this lesson and the remaining part of this lesson I am going to teach you. So dear student, be concentrate and listen very carefully. I have told you in the previous video that there are four mediums of traveling from one place to another. First, roadways, second, railways, third, waterways, and the fourth, airways. And I have told you some major points of these travels medium. So dear student, I want to remind you that roadways is safer, but railways is more safer, but railways are costly than the roadways, and the waterways throughout the other countries by the steamers and boats and etc. We travel one country to another with our goods and lodgings. And for the very long distance or to go in out of country, we use airways. That is the very fastest traveling and it takes less time than these mediums. So dear student, some part of these I have to explain. So listen. Waterways. Waterways are usually the cheapest and most suitable mode of transportation for bulky raw materials and heavy commodities. Dear student, for traveling other than port and harbor maintenance, they do not require much expenditure. However, the time consuming aspect of water transport is perhaps its biggest disadvantages, that you know very well. But also it is confined only to areas where waterways are present, after which rail or road or air must act as feeders. Dear student, inland water transports via rivers, lakes, canals and ocean transport through seas and oceans are the two important types of waterways. Inland waterways, this is the first, and the second one is ocean transport. What is inland waterways? These consist of invisible rivers, lakes and canals across which cargo and passengers are carried through mechanized boats and steamers. Some of the important inland waterways of the world are the rivers Mississippi and Missouri, St. Lawrence River, Seaway, Great Lakes waterways between USA and Canada is the largest and biggest, or you can say busiest, that is very busy inland waterways system in the world. And the ocean transport, one of the cheapest forms of the transport across continents is ocean transport, wherein ships carry the larger loads from one place to another place as compared to roads, airways and railways. Some of the busiest ocean routes are the North Atlantic route connecting Eastern North America and Western Europe. These are some specific routes. The Panama Canal route connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, and the North Pacific route connecting Western North America to East Asia. Mumbai, Singapore, Chennai, Sydney, Colombo, Shanghai, Tokyo, Kolkata, London, etc. are amongst the busiest and most important ports in the world. These are most important ports of the world from where we can travel from one country to another country with our goods and raw materials. Dear student, airways. Some parts of airways I have told you in the previous video, but the remaining you have to know that I am going to explain. Airways enable us to reach even such remote areas where at times other forms of transport are unavailable. Where the transports are unavailable, at that places we use airways. Besides transporting people and freight from one place to another, helicopters and aircrafts also help in times of natural calamities such as earthquakes and floods. These are especially important for defense purposes also. Airways are very compulsory for every country for the purpose of saving defense. So dear student, maintenance of aircrafts, the crew and airports is expensive. Moreover, airways are also dependent on the weather, and so delays are inevitable. Dear student, you have to know that the domestic airways connect various places within a country, while international airways which connect different countries. In the internal places, you travel by airways, and for international travels, you also use airways. The largest volume of air traffic is registered in eastern USA. The important international airports are located in New Delhi, Singapore, New York, Hong Kong, Tokyo, London, Dubai, Sydney, and etc. So dear student, the Western countries have an excellent system of air travel characterized by the modern technological systems and infrastructure. Indian air travel over the past few years has made great progress that is done in our country. So these are the most traveling mediums that you know very well, and you know about these travel routes, that is roadways, or railways, or waterways, or airways. Every four mediums are important for different purposes, and they are all very useful to us for many purposes. So dear student, this is enough for today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.